No, I'm really hyped. I'm really like excited. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Janasia and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So as you can see in the title, I got my very first apartment. It sounds so crazy saying a little bit. Like, I waited so long for this, and now like the day is finally here, and it just feels like not real. Like, I don't know, it's a little crazy. I lived at home for a long time, which there's nothing wrong with. If you can live at home for as long as you can, do that. Like, honestly, I would still be living at home if my closet space situation was a little better, but the girl's a shopaholic. I have too many clothes and things, and I do not plan on downsizing or stopping shopping. So my option was to move out into my own space, and so here I am. So yeah, so I just picked up my keys right now. It's like 10:30ish in the morning. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the place. And I wanted to come do this empty apartment tour right now while there's nothing in here, because child, there's gonna be hella boxes. So let me do this real quick, get this out the way so I can go get my stuff and start to move in. All right. So let's get this thing on and poppin'. Okay, so this right here is the front door. There is a security system right here. I don't know if I'm going to activate it or not. I kind of just want to get a ring doorbell, but we'll see. So then after you walk in, you immediately come to, it's not a closet. It's where they keep the, what do you call this? HVAC, water heater, I don't know, whatever mechanical stuff that they keep in there, that's where they keep it. So that's that, and then let me pick you guys up. So front door, here's me. I'll turn you around, and we're immediately into the kitchen. Okay, this is to your left. So you come, walk in. We have the refrigerator, freezer, fridge. Everything's nice and clean, good spacing. And then here's just like an overview of my kitchen. The kitchen is definitely one of my favorite spots in the house. So we have this island here. Getting an island was actually one of the main things that we wanted. We just like to have an island. I think it brings something to your living space. And then on the island, plenty of storage space. And I can actually move these to like whichever level I would prefer to give myself more or less storage per se. More storage there. One thing about this kitchen, there is a lots and lots of storage. Like, you come on this side and I have the pantries here. And then more cabinet space and more cabinet space. I'll probably put some decorative things up there. I don't know, maybe some wine glasses. Girl, I have no idea. Microwave, stove. It is electric. I'm not the biggest fan about that, but it is what it is. The oven, more storage on top of the microwave. Why did I just have a brain fart? And then just lots and lots of more storage. And then I do have a dishwasher. I've had dishwashers in like previous houses, but for some reason I never really used them. But I'm going to use mine just because it's here why not? I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure out what to do. I mean, I've used the one before. I don't know. I kind of prefer to hand wash my dishes. That's just me, because I feel like sometimes when they're in the dishwasher, they just don't get as clean as they're supposed to. Anyways, back to the video. This is the sink. Yeah, it goes pretty deep. It's pretty big. I like that. So let's move on. Right after the kitchen brings us into the living room, and it's very open. Lots of space here. Probably gonna put the TV on this wall, hang it up. I kind of want to do a lot of like floating things. I'm very indecisive about how I want to decorate. Yeah, but I know I want to do like, you know how kind of like stuff looks like it's floating, like floating shelves and things like that. Instead of a TV stand, I want to do like floating shelves underneath the TV, if that makes sense. I feel like it would just look clean, put together. I don't know, like it's just an idea. But anywho, this is the living space. And so I'll take you guys outside to the balcony. I don't know if it's open. So this is the balcony. It is screened in. I'm for sure gonna put like one of those hanging like little egg-shaped chairs here. Get some lights, you know, some cute table decorations. Definitely gonna make this a little like vibey chill spot for sure. That's the plan. Alright, that locks. Let me take you to the bedroom. Okay. Alright, so this is the bedroom. I don't want to say it's huge, but I feel like it's definitely has enough space. So I'm probably, I don't know what side of the wall I want to put my bed on, but I need to figure it out because I just need to figure it out because I got this dresser from IKEA. Y'all know the one, like the plain white one or black one that everyone has. Well, I bought it because I just think it's a really cute, just simple piece to have for the bedroom. And I kind of want to do very minimalistic stuff because I don't want my house to look crowded or just like too much is going on. So yeah, I'm gonna put that somewhere, hang the TV, put the bed in here. And I need to measure because I need to buy myself a new vanity because I don't want to bring my old one. The only dilemma, I don't know where I'm going to put it because I feel like our bed is pretty big. So it's either gonna have to be like in the corner somewhere or on this like little section of the wall right here. And I don't know how I'm gonna make that work. Pray for me, but we'll figure something out. Here's the closets. I really like the closet. We will definitely add more shelving in here. I mean, it has decent shelving, but Ron and I have a lot of clothes. Like, a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, so this closet is probably gonna fill up pretty quickly. But the bed that I purchased also has storage, like storage shelves underneath it, and I got that specifically because we have so many freaking clothes and we need places to put them, so hopefully that will give us extra space in the closet. And then so when I walk out of the bedroom and into the hallway, kind of, this light, yep, okay, so that's the light for that. This is kind of like a coffee, liquor, tea area where you can put things like that. I'm probably gonna make this like a charger station because I like how it has these. So I'll probably just get some chargers for any of my electronic stuff and set it up right here. Probably put some pictures there. I don't know really. And then there's just more storage down here. And then last but not least, we have the bathroom. So, okay, we have this beautiful, let me open up the door a little more. We have this beautiful big mirror, which I love. The bathroom has okay lighting. It's a little yellowy. Maybe I'll swap the light bulbs out. We'll see, I don't know. We have one sink. I do wish we had two, but it's really not a problem. There's like a lot of space. So, along with all of this space up here, once again, so much storage. Like, so much storage space. I shouldn't have a problem with putting any of my stuff away. And this is the shower with my very deep bathtub. I just want to show for reference how deep the tub is. Like, I feel like I'm in like a mini hot tub or something. This is pretty high. Like, I'm a short girl. Like, this is high for me. I'm a little nervous about stepping in and out of the shower. But that's okay. I'll just have a little rug and hopefully I don't fall. But I'm definitely gonna get one of those like bath trays so I can like put my wine or fruit or whatever on here while I take a bath or read a book or something. I don't know, girl. But the tub is gonna get to use. And then my apartment manager is so cute. She got us a gift. I think it just has like goodies. Okay, yeah, I think that looks like a lunchbox, a water bottle, a bottle holder, and some other stuff. But anyways, it's still super cute. Okay, but anyway, that's pretty much it. Did I show you guys? Oh, actually, no. I forgot to show you something. This, last but not least, the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer was like a must. Oopsies. Okay. Yeah, so the washer and dryer were like an absolute must to have because, listen, child, I wasn't about to be driving somewhere else to go do laundry. Nope. Even when a place has like its own laundry room, like you have to go walk out somewhere, even that now, I don't like that. Like, I've had a washer and dryer in my house for so long now, it's like, it'd be weird to not have one and have to go like somewhere to do it. Like, I just couldn't. So, the washer and dryer, I believe, was the last absolute thing I have to show you guys. But yeah, I need to get a move on because it's already 12 and I need to go pack my car up and start moving all this stuff. But I don't know, guys, like, so what do you think? Like, I don't know. I mean, I love it, obviously. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, what kind of videos I should do. I was thinking about doing a moving series, like just the whole moving process, the moving days. I don't know, maybe I'll vlog today to kind of start that off. But anywho, you're going to see it and move on. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour, and a furnished apartment tour will definitely be on the way once I finish all my decorating. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.